Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. My name's Alex Hubbard. I'm a senior systems admin with over 15 years of experience in the IT industry. Today, I'm going to show you a quick video of how to disable the auto logout or adjust the timeout on your auto logout in ESXi or VMware ESXi. This is not something I would recommend shutting off in a production environment, but this is our lab machine, and sometimes I leave it open and get distracted at home by stuff that goes on. So I come in here and disable this feature so that I don't have to continue to log in. It's set pretty short out the gate. So what we need to do is come into manage here on the left hand column, and we are going to scroll down to the user variables, which is almost all the way at the bottom, and you're going to find the one that says I think it's user session timeout. Let's find it here. User variables, and it is, where are we here? It's this guy right here, host client session timeout. So we're going to edit, we're going to click it, we're going to edit option. Default is 900 seconds, and if you want to disable it, you set it to 0, which is what we're going to do. Again, not something I would recommend for the production environment, but you can raise the time or shut it off completely. This is how you do it. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Hope you like this quick little video.